Alright, let's make a lobster bisque soup. For the seafood stock, boil your lobster tails in 5 cups of salted water for 5 minutes or until they turn red. Now remove your lobster tails and let them cool. After they have cooled, remove the meat from the shells and place the shells back into the pot and let them simmer for 15 minutes covered. Cut up the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces. In a hot pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and saute 1 tablespoon of minced garlic for about 30 seconds. Throw in your lobster pieces and saute for about 2 minutes. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. In a large pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 finely chopped onion, carrot, and celery. Add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute until your onions are translucent. Now season with 1 tablespoon of salt, pepper, thyme, chicken bouillon, and cayenne pepper. Mix well, then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 cups of white wine. Stir that in and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Once you have mixed that in, blend that mixture until smooth. Now add the seafood stock we made and mix well. Reduce the heat and let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.